Every spring, I tend to see the same thing in patients. You start trying to get healthier, but you are exhausted. You're sleeping, but you still wake up tired. And most of the time, it's not a motivation issue. It's that your body has not reset from the winter rest. Welcome to the Longevity Path with Dr. Ava, where ancient wisdom meets modern regenerative medicine. I'm Ava, doctor of acupuncture and Chinese medicine. And today we're talking about why you may still feel exhausted in early spring, even when you are sleeping enough. This is a little bit of a continuation from last week. During winter, we tend to change our habits more than we realize. We wake up later, we see less sunlight, we spend more time indoors, and we move less. Now, this slower rhythm is normal during winter, but over time, it can shift your body's circadian rhythm. Circadian rhythm is the internal clock that regulates your body's sleep, energy, hormones, recovery, and digestion. And it depends heavily on environmental signals, especially morning light exposure. When the brain receives consistent light signals, it regulates cortisol in the morning and melatonin at night. This is what helps us feel awake during the day and sleepy at night. But when those signals disappear for months, the rhythm drifts. Now let me pause here for a second. If you've been waking up tired lately, try something simple tomorrow. Before you check your phone, before coffee, step outside for 5 minutes. Just 5 minutes. Let your eyes see natural light. You may be surprised at how quickly this starts shifting your natural energy. All right, now let's keep going. This is one of the most clinical patterns I see early spring. Patients say, I'm trying to get healthier, but I'm just so tired. Usually, you're doing the right things. Your body just needs help restoring rhythm. Acupuncture is one of the tools we use most often for this, and don't worry, if you're not a fan of needles, we can use acupressure to stimulate those points as well. It can help regulate sleep cycles and improve recovery, especially if you've been dealing with long-term fatigue. Many patients notice deeper sleep and clearer energy after just a few treatments. Chinese herbal medicine can also help support the body during seasonal changes. Some formulas support detox pathways and sleep quality while the body shifts from winter into spring. And sometimes simple supplements can help the body while it recalibrates. Magnesium glycinate is commonly used to support relaxation and sleep quality. L-theanine can also help people wind down a little bit more easily in the evening. Now remember, these tools don't replace healthy habits. They support the body while those habits begin working again. Now here's the payoff. One of the most powerful things that you can do for your health right now is surprisingly simple. Get outside in the morning. 10 to 15 minutes of natural light within the first hour of waking can begin resetting circadian rhythm. This helps regulate energy during the day and sleep at night. Your body evolved with daylight. When those signals return consistently, the system begins regulating itself again. So there are 2 simple things you can try this week. First is spend the first 10 to 15 minutes within the first hour of waking outside in natural light. No phone if possible. Just let your eyes experience the natural light. Second, support sleep while your rhythm resets. Choose a consistent bedtime, reduce screens before bed, and if sleep has been difficult for a while, supplements like magnesium glycinate can help. If sleep problems have been going on for months, clinical support like acupuncture, acupressure, and herbal medicine can help restore rhythm more efficiently. I hope you found this helpful. Please like, subscribe, and comment below. What signals are you giving your body each morning that tell it to wake, move, and recover? Let us know so that we can help support you, or we can take a look at that pattern and see where things are misaligned. And until next time, stay grounded, stay consistent, and build health that supports your life, not just your symptoms.